these days, because of the technology, it has affected IELTS. In the past, we generally have only the one kind of paper test, but now we have computer delivered test and online IELTS test as well. Test for skill reading, writing, listening, and speaking. Just you will go to the exam center. So if you are taking it paper-based page, when the page is given, you must write your name and candidate number, which will be given to you when you make a registration. They will issue you candidate number. Also, they will give you a center number. So, for example, you are listening about a schedule, you are listening about to complete the table. If you are listening about like a monocular delivery test, you make a registration. You go to the exam center. Your 4 skills of language will be tested in a computer lab. Okay, you go to the center. They are the same with the Redani center. You will be. And how will these skills be tested? So you will be given a computer and the method of maybe there is some. It's about computer delivered test.
Welcome to our computer delivered IELTS tutorial 1. This tutorial.
Wait. Online test, same if you want to do it from home or from office, from anywhere. You can do it from any part of the world. But I think nowadays, like, make a registration. You must have a stable internet connection. Your 4 skills will be tested, but about the countries, it changes. Sometimes the British Council. I was checking the list of countries, so some countries were not appearing in the list for online exam, but it gets changing. So you can check if your country is in the list for online. You can go for online exam from your home, from your computer, from your laptop, from your tablet. You can book online. Language will be tested. The 3, like reading, you will do online. Writing, you will compose. You will not write. And speaking, listening also you will do on computer. But for speaking, you will have a test on video links like Zoom or any platform. And for online exam, a specific software will be sent to you or anywhere. You will install it on your device, and during that time, you are not allowed to move here and there. You are not allowed to change the tag. You are not allowed to. You have to sit in front of minutes. You need to transfer your answer from question paper to answer sheet if you are taking paper exam. But if the score table is like this, if you attempt 16 correctly, you will get 5 gains, 23 for each question. You will be rewarded with 1 grade. And it depends what is your goal. 5, 6, 7, 8, or 9. So it happens. I would like to give an example of a book. Maybe you have read it. Atomic Habit by James Clear. The main thesis statement is that everyone set the target. Everyone has a goal. What is your goal? Every day. Okay, for example, which grade do you want? A plus, B plus?
A plus. Yes.
Everyone A plus. Everyone wants set the target A plus. But who gets the A plus? The one who set the system. If you set the system, you get A plus. If you don't get the system, you have A. So if you work on your goal, you set the system, you achieve A plus. But if you just think I want A plus, just think, you don't convert your ideas to the practical shape, maybe may not be, you don't achieve your goal. So what is your goal? You can achieve your goal. Prepare yourself well. Okay, you have time this semester and second semester. Prepare yourself well, then go to the exam. Don't jump blindly. So this is advice. Okay, what kind of test or kind of listening is there during the test? The first listening is normally conversation of 2 people. They are describing something like a schedule, a table about like a train, his achievement or something. Listening 3 is normally conversation up to 4%. This is important, listening 3, because sometimes we are being a second language learner, we cannot recognize the sound. Who is Maria? Who is Felix, who is Beam, who is Muhammad, who is Fad. So we must, in the beginning, when they give introduction, focus who is speaking. Keep in your mind the name. So conversation of 4%. So you normally lecture of 1%. Maybe it's about a discovery of something, an invention. Maybe, for example, he's talking about iPhone 16 or any scientific research. So 1% is talking about something. And the test is 30 minutes in total, like online test, computer-based test, or paper-based test. In paper-based test, you have 10 extra minutes to transfer your answer. The other computer-based and online tests are recorded automatically. Okay, the audio recording gets complex gradually. Okay, focus on the first part, like listening one, listening. Yeah, maybe sentence completion. Okay, half of the sentence is given. You have to listen and complete. Summary completion. You will have given a summary. Okay, you have to fill in, listen and put the exact word. Form. Short question, answer questions. Sometimes table completion, diagram learning, map, plan completion, flowchart completion. Mr. Farah has given you the example of diagram, like you have to, sometimes they give direction. For example, diagram you enter in a hall map. So it says something on the right, something on the left, east, yeah, west, northwest, something like this. So you should read the instruction, okay? So, yes, so some of the tips that you can achieve your test, yeah? You can pay more attention to earlier parts, like listening one, listening two. If you pay more attention, yeah? Focus on the synonyms. I think other fellows have mentioned synonyms. For example, the word is maybe listen, dependable. Yeah. So in the listening, maybe attitude. In the exam, maybe it is way of talking. So you must focus on synonyms, the similar words. And do not be panicked if you missed some answers. Okay. For example, you missed some answers in listening to some question. Don't be panicked. Okay. Prepare your next part and leave it if you have missed it. Again, you will have maybe time. You can correct it or leave it. Don't be panicked that you missed the first part of this and that. No, don't worry. And utilize the given time well. Okay. Don't like, for example, listening one. When it is finished, they say the instructions are played. Go to part 2, part 3. Follow the instruction. Don't stay on the first part. Okay. Then we have answer sheet, like if you have a paper exam, this is the example of answer sheet. You have candidate name, candidate number, and center number. Your candidate name, your name, candidate number, and center number will be given to you. Then you want to test your language, so we have a resource. If you have this is a British score, English score application. It's available on Android and Apple. So you can, this is the preface, you can download this app. Yes, there are the tests are given for you, reading, writing, listening, speaking, grammar, vocabulary, everything will be given to you. And this is the preface of the results. This way you can see your results, like you will get A, band 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the application, you check your language on it. But when you install and use this app for language testing, you should stay in a calm place. You should be in front of camera. No one should disturb you. If you move here and there, I try to cheat or open another tab, so it will dismiss you. Okay, you will not allow to test your language. Other important resources that you can, this is the QR code. If you wanna take picture or scan, you will go to this preface, yeah, preparing for IELTS, right? So you can prepare. It will allow you to all skills of language, yeah, knowledge of language. Also, it allows you to prepare yourself for computer-based exam, online exam, or any kind of exam. And then also another effective resource for IELTS is .com, and here it is the QR code. You can take picture or scan it. It also provides a lot of resources, practices, a lot of knowledge, classes, these are free resources. You don't have to pay anything for these resources. And yes, this is the preface. Yes, you will see this page. One important thing about, yes, this one. When you go to take IELTS British Council, they ask you to write. Yeah, maybe I want 9, but my knowledge is 5. My according to my knowledge, I deserve 5, but so when you register, so you should register like 5 bands, 6 bands, because if you register for 9 bands, they will give you very tough material like vocabulary. 5 bands, 6 bands, they will help you gradually. So idealize it, but on the basis of reality, what we are really. Okay, let's move to the. No? Okay, so here have my yes, contact number if you need any help anytime about yes, you say you have written a paragraph you want to send me, or you can send me, I will check. I will help you in this regard as a volunteer teacher. Okay, thank you so much.
Thank you.